In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your transactions in Zoho Books. This process ensures that your financial records remain static and unaltered, providing your business with a stable and reliable financial foundation. Whether you're preparing for audits, closing off financial periods, or simply ensuring permanency in your accounting records, learning how to effectively lock transactions in Zoho Books is a critical skill for efficient financial management. So let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step guide together. First things first, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address bar www.zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books homepage. If you've already bookmarked the website, even better, just click on your bookmark and you'll be there in a flash. It could be helpful to occasionally bookmark essential websites like Zoho account portals for quicker access in the future. Having arrived at the Zoho Books homepage, you will then need to sign in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. The sign in button is prominently displayed on the top right corner of the website. If it's been a while since you last logged in, make sure you have your username and password ready. Upon logging in, you will be greeted with your personalized Zoho Books homepage. This page provides a comprehensive overview of your recent activities, pending invoices, expenses, and other vital statistics related to your business finances. Next, you will want to make your way to the dashboard. This feature is a central hub within Zoho Books, offering a snapshot of your business's financial health, including cash flow, expenses, and income. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the various components of the dashboard, even though our primary focus today is transaction locking. Understanding the dashboard layout can greatly enhance your productivity and the quality of insights you glean from your financial data. Once you're comfortably looking at the dashboard, it's time to proceed with locking your transactions. From the dashboard, locate and select the option labeled Transaction Locking. This option should direct you towards a specific section dedicated to securing your transactions. Moving forward, you'll see an option labeled Lock. Give this a click and you will be taken to a new page that allows you to set various parameters for locking your transactions. It's crucial to take this step seriously, as once these transactions are locked, they cannot be altered without proper permissions. Not only does this safeguard your records from accidental changes, but it also ensures that your financial information remains consistent and authentic. In this section, you will find options to select a lock date and provide reasons for the lock. Decide on the appropriate date range for which the transaction should be locked. This date locks every transaction up to and including the selected date. Take careful consideration when choosing this time frame, especially if you are coordinating with your finance team, as locked transactions become immutable entries in your accounting history. Additionally, it's a good practice to include a reason for locking these transactions. Clearly outlining a reason is beneficial for both audit trails and internal communication. Written documentation within your organization can prevent misunderstandings and promote company-wide clarity on financial decisions and locking periods. After setting your desired lock date and diligently entering the reasoning, the final step is straightforward. You'll notice another lock button on this page. Once you're certain all settings are correctly entered and thoroughly reviewed, click on this lock button to finalize the process. When transactions are locked, you'll know that your financial statements are now secure and unchanged, reflecting only the locked data. And that, folks, is how you lock transactions in Zoho Books. While the steps are fundamentally simple, they are designed to ensure maximum security of your financial data. Regularly performing this task can be a part of your internal controls or maintenance practices to keep everything orderly and secure. Hopefully this walkthrough has demystified the process and made it easier for you to integrate into your regular financial practices. Thank you for tuning in and making it through this tutorial with me. Your financial integrity and security are paramount, and locking transactions is one big step in safeguarding those priorities. Do revisit and practice these steps as often as necessary to reinforce familiarity and confidence in handling your Zoho Books account. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and insights into managing your finance tools effectively. Until next time, stay organized and keep your numbers locked tight.